Hello, so this is just a very quick video. It's Tracy on the new website, and I've had a few queries around where do people sign up to get the 7-day meal plan. And it's basically when you go on to tracys.com, as you can see on the URL. If you go all the way down, and this is on the actual, this is the page that you get, you land on once you click tracys.com. So it takes you through our products, which of course you can view and purchase. And if you've got kids chef online, please sign them up for the new courses that we hope to be launching out soon. Watch that space. And then this is where I'm coming to. So need healthy, simple and quick family recipes? Join our mailing list and get a free 7-day family meal plan. So all you need to do, so that's at the bottom of the website, just put your email address and subscribe. Now the system would be able to I think the system will be able to send you through automatically a copy of the 7-day meal plan, or you can obviously download it. It will give you a downloadable link, and that should make it easy for you to be able to just sign up, because by subscribing, you would get access to simple tips, quick tips around food, newsletter, upcoming programs you might find useful, paid and free, that sort of thing. So it's very useful to sign up just to be kept up to date on the things that we've got coming. And also you could, whilst you're on the website, take advantage or have a look at the sign up. So you could sign up to be on the to have a back end. So when you have so what the free account does is it helps you to be able to view things like the cooking videos that I've mentioned or that are stated in the previous page. All it needs is an email address and a password to be able to create your own account. And by creating your own account, you're able to have a free customized back end. You're able to have access to videos, because once they're loaded, they're going to be loaded on tracys.com. So you'll be able to access those as well. You'll be able to see what we've got on. So there it is. So things like the cooking video, you'll be able to access those only when you have an account, because they're all going to be loaded here. It's a free account. You're not paying for it. It's just this is where we'd have to put it. So you're registering, they'll have to be on this platform on here to be all in one place, and it makes it easy for readers, for customers, for communities, for families to just access latest videos coming out straight from the website. I hope you found this video really useful. And if there's any questions, please get in touch. info@tracys.com. Enjoy the rest of the day. Take care and blessings.